Hi guys, welcome to this upmarket luxurious LaSalle condo which has 2 bed, 2 bath and is also barrier free. Come, let's have a look. Guys, check this bathroom out. This is the barrier free bathroom that I was talking about. You can a wheelchair can do cartwheels here. It is that big, guys. I just can't get over on how beautiful this kitchen is. It is very classic. It has quartz countertop, very nice backsplash throughout, and stainless steel kitchen. There's enough room for 4 people to cook in this kitchen. Just look how big the living room space is, and again, barrier free. I want you to see the hardwood floors. The entire home has engineered hardwood floors. They were an upgrade.